What's going on, you guys? Noah Hackworth here. It's just the Hoover Elite, so it's not Bridget West, so I'm just imitating Kid behind the camera. Alright, so anyways, let's get to the update. So anyways, I wanted to tell everybody that the Hoover Elite that I got 4 years ago at the Restore, you could see right there, May 21st, 2017. I've had it for 4 years now. So anyways, I salvaged parts from the Hoover power drive I got a few weeks ago. And guess what it had working in it? In 3, 2, 1. It has a working headlight. Oh, I cannot wait. Wow. It's gonna work great. So, anyways, I should get more of them headlights. I think you can get those at Home Depot, Lowe's, or Walmart, Target, Costco, Sam's Club, or wherever. Oh, and Big Lots too. I think you can get them at Big Lots. I don't know for sure, but anyways, let's do a demo on this thing. Well, that did a pretty good job. But anyways, I need to change the bag in this thing. And I'm cleaning my rigid, so it smells like cat litter in here. I just picked up cat litter with this thing a couple months ago. So anyways, that does it for the video. Just comment if you have any questions.